boys.
Hi.
How are you? So, what's your project about?
We're looking to see the bacteria on cell phones and on
Louder.
trash cans, so we could show people at the science fair what they should expect after their phone has been non-used.
So, you're looking at cell phones,
Yes.
and you can compare the bacteria
And
to that of bacteria found on a trash can.
Yes.
Okay, this sounds really interesting. What's your hypothesis?
We hypothesize that
That
cell phone will carry more bacteria because it has not been the majority of the people in the United States, this is according to websites, that they don't usually wash their phones. So we're testing that to see if it's true, and we're testing that to see.
So you think people have nastier cell phones than a garbage can?
Yes.
Okay, Mentor Bucky.
That cell phone is.
What happened to
dirtier than
Mentor
any-
Bucky? Mentor Candace, what do you think? You think they're on the right track?
They are definitely on the right track. Thank you.
Awesome. Okay,
Yes.
great. And right, and I wanted to say, Bucky, are they on the right track for the bacteria?
Yes.
Do you think they got their data down?
They're going to, yeah. So they're in the process of acquiring their data.
Process of doing it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for being in the Twilight Zone. Great. Okay, Em, bye.
Hi.
Guys, good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Are you gonna win?
Yes.
Are you gonna win?
Yes.
Yes.
My group's winning.
Yes.
My group's winning.
Your group?
My group's winning.
Why do you think your group's winning?
Because my group has their stuff together and they have their head in the right place and they're determined to win.
And by the way, you were one of the winners.
Yeah, so I'm obviously they're gonna
You're a
win.
mentor. You were the
I'm the
major.
reigning champ.
You already won 2 years ago.
Yeah, so they're
And
winning again
And now you're a mentor.
and they're gonna win.
Okay, we love you. Bye.
I love you too.
Bye.